I have logged into my Salesforce Lightning, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick orientation of the Salesforce Lightning experience. Specifically, I'm going to talk you through how we go into the setup and look at some of the key features of the setup. So right here on Salesforce Lightning, I'm on my dashboard, and what I do is I click this gear right up here and it'll take me straight to the setup. Once I'm in the setup, it provides important information to help you both navigate and also transfer information from your Salesforce Classic. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through the basics of the setup. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the administration, the next one, the platform tools, and then finally the settings. So let's just begin by talking about the setup home. If you click on the side where it says Lightning Experience, you can get a really helpful video right over here which talks about how you can make the transition from your Salesforce Classic to your Salesforce Lightning. It'll also give you a key comparison and also help you make the actual move. In this course, I'm not actually going to make the transition. I'm just going to give you an overview. All right. What you can also do is check your readiness by taking a quick trailhead. You can look at some key features, make sure that you can set up your domain, set up some shared activities, enable your news, look at your account feeds and notes, which is really, really helpful. You can also set up some users, right? Right up here, you click Set Up Users, and as you scroll down, you can fine-tune who can use your Lightning experience. You can switch users, and you can also make user Lightning experience the only platform so that it won't give you the option to switch to Salesforce Classic. Okay, if you click this, I'm not going to do that because I use both Classic and Lightning experience. And you can also make sure that you can turn on your Salesforce Lightning right over here. I have enabled it, which means if I'm in Salesforce Classic, I get the Lightning option. So let's take a look at the Lightning usage. So what you can do is if you can click the metrics, I probably don't have many because I'm using this for demo purposes. But let's take a look at some of the metrics that you can see. You can look at your monthly active users, your daily users, and obviously this data will update as I use this, but obviously this is all for demo purposes, okay? You can also look at Salesforce Mobile as well, so you can actually click in and see how things are going. You can look to switch to Salesforce Classic and look at the metrics on there, as well as your browser history, and as well as the pages that you have, the visits that you may have for your website. So this is just a very simple, quick overview of the setup page. All right. You can also just make sure that you have this as a start. If you're getting started with Salesforce Lightning, this is a perfect way to get going. In the next video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the administration that you need, but this will be more than enough to get you started.